If you're using Screen Studio to record tutorials, courses, or product demos, chances are you run into this situation. You recorded your amazing video, but later realized that there's something on screen that you really can't show publicly. An API key, private email, a filled out form, something you really can't show in the final video. In this video, I'm going to show with you exactly how to mask sensitive information in Screen Studio. And stick till the end because I'm going to share something that can save you a lot of time and money. Alright, let's get into it. Inside your Screen Studio project, you can click on Mask inside the toolbar and then Add Sensitive Data Mask. This will drop a rectangle that you can resize to cover everything you want to mask in the final video. Now here's the important part, and it's where most people get confused. You have to make sure that the segment of the mask here in the timeline at the bottom extends for the whole duration of what you want to hide. Because if the mask ends while your content is still showing on the screen, then of course you will leak that information and you don't want that. So you want to extend the mask throughout the whole duration of the sensitive information. This way the content will get masked throughout the video. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, there is something that can save you a lot of time and money, and that thing is called Borumi. Borumi is a video editor built specifically for educational content like tutorials, video courses, and product demos, and comes with many of the features that you love about Screen Studio, such as cinematic zoom-in effects and smooth cursor movements. But it goes further. Besides the usual blurring sensitive area that we just discussed, it also comes with powerful layouts, transcript-based editing, the ability to import images and videos, music, and so much more. And here's the best part, Borumi comes as a one-time purchase at $79, making it one of the best deals on the market. You purchase it once and it's yours forever. If you're interested, you can visit borumi.com and find out more. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel because it really helps, and I hope to see you in the next one.